Hey guys, and welcome to this video. Today I'm gonna show you how to install Ubisoft Connect. So first go to Google and search up Ubisoft Connect. Once you search this up, click on the first link here. I'll leave it in the description so you guys can find it easier. Once you're on this website, you can click on download for PC right on the top right here. It might say it's a dangerous application, but that's just because it's gonna download games and stuff on your PC. So just click on keep it. Okay, so once you're done installing the application, open the application in your download folder or wherever you have located it. Once you have opened it, there might be a little pop-up that says, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Click on yes on that notification. Then select your language, accept, and then just click install. Unless you want to have a custom install location, you can click browse and click a different location on your computer. But I'll just click install because that will be way easier. Once you have completed the installation, click next. You can either keep this box marked or unmarked. If you have it unmarked, it will not run Ubisoft Connect once you click finish. You can either keep the box checked right here or uncheck it if you don't want to run Ubisoft Connect right away. I'm gonna keep it checked because I want to show you what it looks like to run Ubisoft Connect. Once you have launched the application, you might have this page. If you do not have an account, click on create account right here. If you already have an account, you just have to log in right here and click remember me if you want easier access to Ubisoft Connect. I'm gonna log in real quick, be right back. Once you have logged in or created an account, you can also set up a two-step verification. Once you have done everything correctly, you will have the news page right here. You will have the games right on top of here and store as well, and the Ubisoft Plus subscription. Ubisoft Plus is a subscription where you get access to a lot of games, a lot of good games like Far Cry 6, Assassin's Creed, and you pay like 15 euros a month for it. Like, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I hope it helped you install this application. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.